to another episode of Marcel TV. Now for this video, I am going to be doing the pistol challenge. And this is basically just using a pistol for the whole game. And I am going to do that because I have no other gun for my class. So I can't switch. So I'm going to try this. This might fail, this might not, but I'm going to try.
Sniper! Sniper! Shoot down! Let's go! Shoot down! I'm off!
So I'm doing pretty good so far. This is not hard. This is actually pretty easy.
Kill confirmed. Let's go! Let's go!
So that's 4-1. This is not hard. So to switch things up a bit, I'm gonna do the ballistic knife challenge. And this is just the same thing, but instead using a ballistic knife for the whole game. So yeah, guys, I thought the pistol challenge would be hard, but it's not. It's actually pretty easy. I'm gonna take someone's pistols.
Sniper! Get down!
I'm gonna use theirs.
Let's go! Let's go! Get up and move!
So yeah, guys, this is pretty easy. So I'm gonna make it a little bit harder and use the ballistic knife.
Get up and move! He's gone.
So I have 6-4. Guys, this is not hard. Whoever made this did not think of something better. So yeah, guys, this is basically pretty easy. So to shake things up a bit, I'm going to use the ballistic knife as well.
We pull forward. Sniper! We've lost the lead. We've taken the lead. Friendly UAV inbound. I've got you!
I don't know why I didn't try this sooner. So yeah, guys, this challenge is pretty basically easy.
I'm trying.
So yeah, guys, I'm pretty much just gonna do the ballistic knife challenge too, because this is super easy. And guys, to me, this does not feel like a challenge. I didn't like that. He just walked in and
Check
killed me.
confirm. Sniper! Get that!
What'd you say?
Hostile UAV above.
Oh, not me. Oh, okay. I don't like this. They're just camping now. I have 8-11. That's not good. I need to have MKT.
He's done. Be advised, hostile care package inbound.
I'm doing pretty good with this
Confirmed down.
pistol.
Hostile dragon fire in your AO.
I have 11 to 12, so I just need to get one more kill to even this thing out. And I'll be set. too. So yeah, guys, this is basically
Let's go!
the easiest thing I am going to ever do. This is so easy. My little baby brother can do this. Literally so easy. So guys, to switch things up, I am going to use the ballistic knife. Now this will be a challenge for me, and it will be hard, but I am still going to do it. So yeah, guys, so let's fast forward this part. I am just going to do the combat knife challenge. I'm not even going to use the ballistic knife. So guys, this is going to be a major challenge because everyone else is using a weapon and not a combat knife. They're literally going to be shooting at me, and I'm going to lose because I'm not shooting.
Taking the advantage. Come down.
Only people that are near me will die.
Lost the lead.
Do you guys see that? That means that I am the worst at this. I can't even go through a field and not die.
Hostile UAV above.
This is 4-0.
Friendly UAV inbound.
And I'm not talking about score-wise.
Be advised. Hostile object drone inbound. I got you. We've taken control. Smoke is clear. Sticky out. No.
He just tried to run away from me. That was crazy.
UAV inbound. That's confirmed.
So this is 4-4.
Yeah. RCXD ready for launch. UAV awaiting orders. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly UAV inbound. RCXD inbound.
So yeah, guys, I'm basically camping because I don't have anything good.
Move it!
I literally don't have anything but a ballistic knife and a 5.7. Nothing, no perks, no anything. I have like I don't know how to explain this, but I have like the awards that you get when you kill them.
Yeah.
UAV inbound.
Popping off, Step.
So that's one thing that I do have. So it's like I don't have anything but this knife. That's basically what I have. Everything but I have nothing but this knife and the 5.7. And I'm doing pretty good. I thought I wasn't going to make it. I thought this was going to be hard, but I'm basically just camping and waiting for them to come to me instead of the other way around.
UAV inbound.
Papa.
Big win. Job done.
So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This was very easy. I know a lot of people have been doing this, but not a lot. So I want you guys to try this at home. I want to give a shout out to all the people that I was playing with. Not everyone, but just my friends. There is XX Lowkey XX, and then there's Joey Body, I think. So Joey Boy, and that's pretty much it. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on another episode. Bye.